Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of MicroTech. Today we'll be considering a problem as displayed on the screen on Autodesk Inventor. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually produce the standing cylinder of diameter 88. So click on my start to the sketch, pick any of the plane, pick a circle, lock it in at the origin and a circle of diameter 88 right there. Then what? Finish my sketch, pick my extrude at mark of 100. I'm going to use symmetric, then what? Okay. Now after doing that, the next procedure is I'm going to click on my origin. I'm going to pick the XZ plane. Picking the XZ plane, I'm going to click on start sketch, slice it with my F7. Okay, then right there I'm going to actually pick a line. I'm going to pick this line right from this center as displayed on the screen right there. From that center at a distance of 64, then with my tab key, okay, the angle to the vertical plane is 30. So 60 plus 90, that's 150 degrees. 150, enter. All right, now after doing that, I'm going to finish my sketch. Finishing my sketch, I pick plane. I click on this line here, then I click on it again. I have that working plane. Clicking on that working plane, I create a new sketch. Now picking my polygon right here, I'm going to type 4 right there. Okay, with 4 right there, standing right at the junction of my plane right there. I'm going to draw this. Yeah, I'm just going to draw that like that. So with my dimension, I would click on dimension, I right click, I click on aligned, then I dimension this at 48. The symbol there is standing for square. Then I finish my sketch. So next is I'm going to click my extrude. I'm going to come back inwards. I'm going to click on toe, then on this, then okay, and I can actually add height this and height this. So I have my object as its way. Okay, now having my object, so to do what is actually stated in the question. The question says we should show the given view the complete elevation with the interpenetration curve, and we should also add an end view in the direction of arrow S. So to do that, and as you can see on the problem, it is in first angle, so I'm going to come to this area. Yeah, okay, new sheet. So then clicking on base. All right, so and that is it. Okay, I need to actually get the positioning of that stuff on the plan first. So this is how it actually looks like on my plan. So back right now, end view in the direction of arrow S. So my front is going to be here, my plan will be here like this. All right, and my end view will be here like this. Then okay. So that is the solution to the problem as displayed on the screen. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of MicroTech. If the video is kind of very fast for you, you can actually adjust the speed of the video on the play speed option on YouTube. All right, so kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.